fresh juice can make everyday life feel healthier, easier, and more enjoyable. In this comparison, we've selected 5 standout juices of 2026, focusing on speed, juice quality, convenience, cleaning, and overall performance. Whether you prefer quick centrifugal juicing or gentle slow extraction, these options offer something valuable for every home and lifestyle. Number 5. Breville Juice Fountain Cold Plus *. The Breville Juice Fountain Cold Plus is a high-performance, centrifugal juicer designed to make fresh fruit and vegetable juice quickly and conveniently. It is part of Breville's Juice Fountain range and is particularly useful for people who want to prepare juice at home without spending a lot of time on preparation. One of its main features is a powerful motor, which allows it to extract juice efficiently from a wide variety of fruits and vegetables. The machine uses a fast-spinning cutting and extraction system to separate juice from pulp. Its cold spin technology is designed to reduce the amount of heat transferred to the juice during extraction, helping preserve the fresh taste and nutritional qualities of the ingredients. The large feed chute is another useful feature. It allows many fruits and vegetables to be inserted with minimal chopping, making the juicing process faster. The Plus model also has a large capacity juice jug and pulp container, making it suitable for preparing several servings at once. The Breville Juice Fountain Cold Plus is relatively easy to use and clean compared with many traditional juicers. Removable components can be washed after use, although cleaning the mesh filter promptly is important because dried pulp can be difficult to remove. However, centrifugal juicers generally produce juice with more foam and can be less effective than slow or masticating juicers for certain leafy greens and soft produce. They can also be somewhat noisy because of their high-speed operation. Overall, the Breville Juice Fountain Cold Plus is a good choice for people who prioritize speed, convenience, strong juice extraction, and large batches. It is especially suitable for busy households that want fresh juice without the slower preparation associated with masticating juices. Number 4. Breville Juice Fountain Cold *. The Breville Juice Fountain Cold is a powerful centrifugal juicer designed to make fresh fruit and vegetable juice quickly and efficiently. It is a popular choice for people who want to prepare homemade juice without spending too much time on cutting, blending, or complicated preparation. The machine combines high-speed juicing technology with a practical design, making it suitable for everyday use. One of its key features is the powerful motor, which helps extract juice efficiently from a variety of fruits and vegetables. The juicer uses a high-speed spinning system to separate juice from pulp, allowing users to enjoy fresh juice within a short period. It is particularly effective with firm produce such as apples, carrots, cucumbers, celery, and beets. The Breville Juice Fountain Cold also includes cold spin technology, which is designed to reduce heat transfer during the juicing process. This can help maintain the natural flavor, color, and freshness of the juice. Its wide feed chute allows many ingredients to be added with minimal chopping, which saves preparation time and makes the juicing process more convenient. Another advantage is its relatively large capacity. The pulp container can collect a significant amount of leftover pulp, while the juice container provides convenient collection of the finished drink. Many of the removable parts can also be cleaned after use, making maintenance easier. However, because it is a centrifugal juicer, it operates at a high speed and can produce more noise than a slow or masticating juicer. It may also be less suitable for extracting juice from very soft fruits or leafy greens compared with some specialized slow juices. Overall, the Breville Juice Fountain Cold is a good option for people who value speed, convenience, powerful extraction, and easy preparation. It is especially suitable for households that want fresh juice regularly and prefer a faster juicing process. Number 3. Hurom H70 Easy Clean Slow Juicer *. The Hurom H70 Easy Clean Slow Juicer is a premium slow juicer designed to extract fresh juice gently while making the juicing and cleaning process easier. Unlike centrifugal juicers, which use high-speed spinning, the H70 uses a slow juicing method that crushes and presses fruits and vegetables. This produces juice with a smooth texture and helps reduce oxidation during extraction. One of its biggest advantages is its easy clean design. Traditional juicers can have fine mesh filters that require considerable scrubbing, whereas the H70 is designed with a simplified strainer and fewer parts that need intensive cleaning. This makes it particularly attractive for people who want to juice regularly but dislike spending a lot of time washing their juicer. The H70 is also designed to handle a variety of ingredients, including fruits, vegetables, leafy greens, and other produce. Its slow extraction process generally produces less foam and separation than many centrifugal juicers. The resulting juice can have a rich texture and natural flavor. Another important feature is its relatively quiet operation. Because the motor works at a much slower speed than a centrifugal juicer, the H70 is generally more comfortable to use in a household environment, especially in the morning. The main disadvantage of a slow juicer is speed. It usually takes longer to prepare juice than a centrifugal model such as the Breville Juice Fountain Cold. It can also require ingredients to be prepared appropriately before feeding them into the machine. Overall, the Hurom H70 Easy Clean Slow Juicer is an excellent choice for people who prioritize juice quality, quiet operation, gentle extraction, and easy cleaning. If convenience and high-speed juicing are more important, a Breville centrifugal juicer may be preferable. For regular juicing and a more premium slow juicing experience, the H70 is the stronger option. Number 2. Hurom H400 Easy Clean Slow Juicer *. The Hurom H400 Easy Clean Slow Juicer is a premium vertical slow juicer designed to make fresh fruit and vegetable juice, while keeping the juicing process simple and convenient. It uses Hurom's slow extraction technology, which gently crushes and presses ingredients rather than spinning them at very high speeds. This helps produce smooth, flavorful juice with less foam and oxidation. One of the H400's most attractive features is its easy clean design. The juicer uses a simplified internal structure with fewer small components, making it easier to assemble, disassemble, and clean compared with many traditional slow juicers. This is especially useful for people who want to make juice regularly, but find cleaning to be one of the biggest disadvantages of JUSCING. The H400 is designed to handle a wide range of produce, including hard fruits, vegetables, soft fruits, and leafy ingredients. Its large hopper can make preparation easier by allowing users to add ingredients with less cutting. The slow pressing system extracts juice efficiently while separating much of the pulp. Another benefit is its quiet operation. Because the motor operates at a relatively low speed, the H400 generally produces less noise than high-speed centrifugal juicers. This makes it suitable for early morning or everyday use without creating excessive noise in the kitchen. The main drawback, that slow juicing takes more time than centrifugal juicing. The H400 is also generally more expensive than basic high-speed JUSCE. Overall, the Hurom H400 Easy Clean Slow Juicer is an excellent choice for people who want high-quality juice, easy cleaning, quiet operation, and convenient everyday use. Compared with the Breville Juice Fountain Cold, the H400 is better suited to users who prioritize gentle extraction and juice quality, while the Breville is better for those who prioritize speed and quick preparation. Number 1. Hurom H200 Easy Clean Slow Juicer *. The Hurom H200 Easy Clean Slow Juicer is a premium vertical slow juicer designed for people who want fresh, high-quality juice with less preparation and easier cleanup. It uses Hurom's slow squeezing technology to gently crush and press fruits and vegetables, rather than rapidly spinning them. This method helps produce smooth juice with less foam and separation. One of the H200's main advantages is its easy clean design. Unlike traditional juicers that often use fine mesh screens, requiring extensive brushing, the H200 is designed with a simplified strainer system. This makes it easier to disassemble, rinse, and maintain after juicing. For people who juice frequently, easier cleaning can make a significant difference. The H200 also features a large hopper, allowing users to add larger pieces of produce and reducing the amount of chopping required. Its self-feeding design helps ingredients move gradually into the juicing chamber, making the process more convenient. The juicer can handle a variety of ingredients, including fruits, vegetables, and leafy greens, because it operates at a slower speed. The H200 is generally quieter than centrifugal juicers, such as the Breville Juice Fountain Cold. Its gentle extraction process can produce juice with a rich texture and natural flavor. It is particularly appealing to users who want to make fresh juice regularly and prefer quality over maximum speed. However, the H200 is not designed for people who want juice instantly. Slow juicing takes longer than centrifugal juicing, and the machine is typically more expensive than basic high-speed models. Some ingredients may also require proper preparation for the best results. Overall, the Hurom H200 Easy Clean Slow Juicer is a strong choice for anyone who values juice quality, quiet operation, convenient feeding, and easier cleaning. It offers a good balance between premium slow juicing performance and everyday convenience, making it suitable for regular home use.